Doing our third video, and today we're making rice and peas with oxtail. So I'm using this red peas. So you have to boil it for like a couple hours till it gets soft, or you could soak it overnight. So I have it in the pot, and now I'm gonna put some coconut cream because that's what makes the rice and peas taste so good. So I'm gonna put the coconut milk in. It's a powder, so you have to like dilute it. And then I put some dry thyme in, just a bit, because I like the flavor of thyme in my rice and peas. So I'm putting ground pepper in, and as I said, I don't use black pepper, I only use white pepper. I don't like black pepper, so I use ground white pepper. And then I put salt in. And then we're just going to make this cook for a bit. Your water should be as salt as the sea. So it should taste like seawater. So when you put the rice in, it'll be perfect. It should have a salt flavor like as a sea. Like, you know, when you go swimming in the ocean and you have that salt gets in your mouth, that's exactly the way it's supposed to taste like before you put your rice in. And it's perfect. Put some olive oil inside the pot just to get the oxtail nice and brown. So in here we have salt and pepper and some browning. So we fry it because we want to get all the fat, render all the fat off of it. You know, oxtail tends to have a lot of fat, but a lot of bone. I don't know how that is, but so I'm starting to put water in there. So it's all fried. All the fat is all rendered off of it now. So, but I'm deglazing the bottom of the I'm deglazing the pot. So I'm just taking off all the goodies off of the pot. So because it's a lot faster to use the gas stove than the regular stove, I like using gas because I like to speed cook. I like to spend all day in the kitchen cooking, so I have lots of these little stoves that I use all the time, so they're more fun to use, I think. They get the job done fast. Cook for maybe about an hour and a half. Maybe 2 hours. Just put water in, or you could use beef stock. Sometimes I use beef stock, but because I deglaze the bottom, I don't really need the beef stock because it already has the flavor from deglazing the pot. And I'm gonna put a little bit of tomato paste in there. Put in some potatoes to make some potato salad. So this is after 2 hours. So this thing should look like nice and juicy and all good. I'm sure it looks the way it tastes. This is really good. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe.